Yeah. We frying turkey. I cut up a whole turkey. And then got it going down. Show the family. See the band in the house? Oh, we doing it. Yeah, Miami got a chance to get in there. You see that dolphin right there? It's coming back. But that's all right. My Broncos good too. But whichever make it, one of the two gonna make it. But check it out. Yeah. Drop it out. Just drop it. Don't worry about it. Drop it. See that turkey? I cut it up. I took a whole turkey and cut him up. I took him up. Now I got him flour down, got him seasoned, he marinated for a day, a whole day. I let him marinate, so it's already in there. Look at that. Yeah, that fried turkey, baby. There you go. Show them how it's going, baby. There you go. That deep fried turkey.
We done robbed you for a darn turkey.
We're planning. Let it ride. We're gonna video this tonight. There you go.
Well, you know that hot, it's gonna burn your darn mouth.
Yeah, that's right.
It's hot. It just came out the grill. It ain't burn your tongue, did it?
Do the hucklebuck. You put it out.
You ain't burn your mouth, did you? I told you it's hot. You want to let it cool down first.
Oh, I want feeling pretty straight. Just gotta find you a pretty lady. JoJo, them children black. Y'all go to the club together. Don't be ready to
Ain't
swing.
getting no darn club.
How you going to girl like wanna go to the club?
Y'all gonna go sometime.
Don't girl from the club.
Look, go somewhere. We ain't going to club, bro.
Y'all make it rain, bro.
Ain't making that rain. Nothing.
I'm thinking about it there. You know what I mean?
You keep your money in your pocket. He's a conservative.
Nah.
He's a conservative, Twan. He's a conservative. You're conservative too. Tell me you're conservative.
Oh, man.
Yeah, what you want to say? What you want to say?
Hey JoJo, they throw the money on the ground. You gonna pick it up too and put it in your pocket and save it. You're conservative. That's
You
right.
ain't no player.
Say what? We ain't no player. We ain't a player. We finna drop some more. Now we dropping some more turkey.
Is that it?
Yeah, that's on this batch. We finna drive it, baby. Hey, we finna drop some more. And then the band is gonna take some pieces
Can I
now.
get a sample?
Yeah, get your piece. You wanna try it?
Let me grab.
JoJo,
Let me
Fred.
pick one. I don't want one like that. That's too hot. He gonna burn his hand.
He gonna burn the
Let me pick mine. Let me pick mine.
Yeah, mine.
I don't want that one. Let me pick mine. Please. I ain't gonna get nothing too crazy.
That's so big. I want you to
That's
get
a little
full.
too big. Hold on.
Yeah, you get full.
I
I
take
tell
it.
you, I don't want to eat that much food, 'cause I'm full.
That's it right there.
What
this is?
That's another piece of nut.
Okay, I'll live with them too.
Okay.
You got more?
Yeah, I'm finna drop them now. When I
Oh,
drop them,
hold on.
I'm going to the
What
I'm
that
going
is?
to the stove.
In there.
And
More,
Mr.
I'm
Lavis,
finna drop them, but I'm
Hey, Mr.
I'm
Lavis.
finna ride to the stove.
you going to taste it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat one.
What you think?
What you want me to do with this? Put it back over there?
Yeah.
Make sure it don't fall.
I
All
know,
your
it
chicken
ain't going nowhere. Tell me what you think of that.
Well, I need some sauce. You know, I don't eat mine naked right
You
there. I
gotta
need some.
go in there and get some of that sauce.
I'll be right back. You know what I mean? I'll let y'all know
I'm finna drop these
how
here.
it was once I get back.
That's your boy, Mama Yo. Rich in the barbecue bag. You know how we put it down. We get it real down. We got it going on. We got all the fixings down there. We got chicken. We got coolers, everything. I got my boy, my main boy, right here. Truck on the head. Yeah, that's my composer. He puts everything together. JoJo on the film. We let y'all know how we do it. We gonna bring it live. That's right. Which every time we bring it in, you know, we bring it in for the new year. So how y'all wanna do it? We're gonna do it. We fry some turkey and the pizzas, and we got all the fixings and everything. And everybody in the house. Got Robert playing video games. Got Big Nugget doing his thing. We got people in the living room. Big Nugget in the house. And that's how we do it. You know what I mean? What y'all gotta do, watch the ice, bro. Watch the ice. That's right. Like you, to the grand show, bro. To the grand show.